What's up guys, welcome to my another video. Today I am going to tell you how much do YouTubers make and how to become a YouTuber. Okay, let's start the video.
Audio Jungle.
There you are, sitting in bed with your phone flipped sideways and headphones in, watching one of your favorite artists' Vivo channels, a makeup tutorial, a how-to video, or one of many pranking channels you can't get enough of. At first, you probably think these people upload their content for free. And sure, they might have started out that way in their early days, but we're here to tell you that some of YouTube's most watched channels are making money, and a lot of it. So, exactly how much do YouTubers make? That's what we're going to tell you. If you're wondering how much money YouTubers make and how to become a YouTuber, you're in the right place. We'll go over the average YouTube pay rate and tips and tricks on how to create a successful YouTube channel. All you have to do is keep watching. How much do YouTubers make per view? Curious about how much money YouTubers make per view? According to a variety of sources, YouTubers can make anywhere between 1 cent to 3 cents per view with AdSense, with an average of 18 cents per view. However, the amount of money YouTube.com will pay depends on a variety of factors, such as 1. The number of views your video receives. 2. The number of clicks an ad receives. 3. Ad quality. 4. Ad blockers. 5. Video length. How much money do YouTubers make every 1,000 views? With the average YouTube pay rate hovering between 1 cent and 3 cents for an ad view, a YouTuber can make around $18 per 1,000 ad views, which comes out to $3 to $5 per 1,000 video views. Forbes also estimates that for top talent, a YouTuber can make about $5 for every 1,000 video views. With that said, creating a YouTube channel can be a great side hustle, especially if you produce engaging content that attracts a large audience. However, getting to this point can be tough work, and we'll get more into that later on in this video. How much money does a YouTuber make per subscriber? YouTube does not pay you based on the number of subscribers you have on your channel. Subscribers are people who choose to follow your account so that they can have easy access to your latest videos. When you post a video, it will automatically show up on their homepage. Subscribers are valuable because they're the ones who will most likely comment, like, and share your videos with even more people. That means you can gain more views and potentially more YouTube money if you place the right ads. So, while YouTube does not pay you based on the number of subscribers you have, they are integral to the number of views your videos receive. How much money can a YouTuber make per video? The amount of money a YouTuber can make per video depends on a variety of factors, such as the number of views they accumulate and how many Google ads that are displayed throughout their videos. Using Forbes's estimated pay rate of $5 per 1,000 views, a YouTube video with 1 million views can make upwards of $5,000, which makes being a modern-day influencer a pretty lucrative job. However, as previously noted, these are estimates, and some YouTubers may make more or less depending on the quality of the ad, click-through rate, and other factors. It's also important to note that this is also a rapidly growing area. According to a study by eMarketer, social video ad spending will increase 44% from 2019 by 2021. That's a $14.89 billion increase. That's all for today. If you learn anything from this video, please leave a like and a comment. And also don't forget to subscribe the channel and share for more videos like this.